welcome to my channel. Today is Sunday and we are here in the hardware with Popsy and Stanley. Yes, we're going to the hardware because wala pa kaming ligo dahil didn't take shower yet. You took shower? You took shower before coming here? No, so none of us. None of us. Ito po yung mukha natin sa umaga. This is our face in the morning without shower. Without shower.
Don't put it in the face.
Yeah, so it's full moon. This face is full moon.
I want to put a waterfall in my garden.
Waterfall. Waterfalls in the garden. Oh, this was so cute. The mushroom. 109. So we are here at the hardware because Popsy wants to buy some sticks for the Christmas presentation this coming December 15. Naghahanap pa din kami ng sticks at hindi pa namin nahanap. We have no makeup guys. Oh, this one has this line. But this one is not round. Guys, change plan. Not wood stick anymore, but pipe, a PVC pipe. So there's music. This one's too big. Ah, heavy. We found the perfect one. They said. Pastor Stanley. This one.
Can we buy only one first?
Yeah?
No, only five. No,
But you have to find a cutter. How to cut that?
because there are seven
Seven.
So super easy.
How much it
How
is?
long each?
No. Ask how much it is. This is a perfect one.
It has a price.
68.
68.
No, that is maybe for meter.
No.
That's it.
Okay. No. Check.
So guys, their presentation for the Christmas is a rod, something like that. It's in YouTube. Guys, naglibog pa sila.
I think do you have old tents that you're not using?
But 10.
I don't know, I lost all of my tent.
No, I think it's short.
Shorter.
But I like the one because it's not very heavy.
No, the thing is,
Only this big. Then it's this big.
No, you can't do that as well because
it's string goes
yeah.
inside.
And also it's shorter. It's like that. Like this.
Yes.
You're imitating me. Now we're going back to the wood because we have no plans. They still cannot make up their mind.
Oh, this girl, I'm gonna kill this girl.
Like.
She's a YouTuber.
But this camera is not balanced.
Because Oki is very tall, so it should be like this high.
All the stick should be in the same color. Same size.
Tired of this girl. Tired of this girl. Feel her.
He started with like taking videos. That's alright. And since he followed me already, I will tag him.
That's okay.
What do you think? Mas nice pero that's it's round.
Oh,
It's not round.
It's lighter. It's
That's
lighter.
lighter. And that's only 25. But that's too small. That's why your camera is so bright.
Stronger.
Maybe your settings, no? So they can't make up their mind. They can't make up their
but I
mind.
think I'm gonna buy this one.
So
Which one? This one?
what they're going to do is they're going to
Buy
buy
this one, since we
sample first.
And take
This one?
This one and tell the people which one they want.
This or that. And okay, so bye.